Hello everyone. Do you know how to create OMR sheet like this in Microsoft Word? So in this tutorial I will explain how you can create OMR sheet in Microsoft Word. For that, create a new document. So this is the new document and here I will create OMR sheet. Go to the page layout and select columns and select three columns and then change the color and then enter the number alignment. Click on number alignment and you can see there is a 1. And now press 2 4 D 0 and then press Alt X. Press space and then press 2 4 D 1 and then press Alt X. Press space 2 4 D 2, press Alt X and then 2 4 D 3, press Alt X and you can see A B C D option. Just select this and copy this, press enter and then paste it and paste it multiple times. You can see, so you can see this way you can create a OMR sheet. So paste it multiple times and so on. And if you want to change the settings of this page, go to the page layout and then columns and click on more columns and you can see there are number of columns 3 and you can change the width of the column. You can change the width of the column and even you can change the spacing between the columns and click on OK. You can change the settings, even you can select it and you can change the, you can set all the text to the bold and even you want to change the color, you can change the color. So this way you can create a OMR sheet in Microsoft Word. That's very easy trick. That's all. Thank you for watching.